What's up, family? If you haven't watched One Fat Friday, this will be the one to watch. Today, we're talking about living benefits, what they are, and why they matter. Most people think life insurance only pays out when someone dies, but modern life insurance can also protect you while you're alive. And these features are called living benefits. Living benefits are one of the most important and most misunderstood parts of life insurance, especially in the Black community where illnesses often hit earlier, harder, and with less financial cushion. Today, we're breaking down what living benefits actually are, how they protect you while you are alive, why many families never heard of them, and real life situations where living benefits have saved households from financial disaster. So, what are living benefits? Living benefits are a feature that are inside a life insurance policy that lets you access a portion of your death benefit while you're still alive if certain things were to happen. Here are some of the things that will trigger a living benefit. Critical illness. Those are things like heart attack, stroke, cancer, major organ failings, things of that nature. Chronic illness. If you have a chronic illness, you can't perform 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living, like bathing yourself, dressing yourself, or eating. Number 3 is terminal illness. The doctors say you have 12 to 24 months or less to live. When one of these situations hit, you can accelerate the benefit and take money out, tax-free in most situations. You hear most people call living benefits accelerated benefits, critical illness riders, chronic illness riders, or living benefit riders. Different companies call them different things, but they all mean the same. So, why does having living benefits matter? Black families are hit the highest by high blood pressure, stroke, heart disease, diabetes, cancer, and chronic conditions linked to economic stress. And when one of these things hit, one of 3 things usually happens. Somebody quit their job to become a caretaker, bills pile up faster than income can support, or your savings get wiped out in months. Living benefits can put tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in your hands in that crisis. That money could be used for mortgage payments, rent, medical bills, home care, child care, lost income, transportation, really anything that you need to use it for. This is protection and peace. Living benefits turns life insurance from just funeral money into financial survival money, into family stability money, into keep the home money, into don't lose everything when sickness hits money. Here's a real life example of someone using living benefits. A woman in her early 40s had an IUL policy with living benefits. She was diagnosed with aggressive breast cancer. She filed a claim with her insurance company and received $180,000 while she was still alive. That money allowed her to, one, take leave from work, pay for treatments that insurance did not cover, keep up with her mortgage, avoid dipping into her retirement, but most importantly, she was able to focus on getting well and not stress about money. She recovered and she survived, and she was able to keep her house. She didn't have to do a GoFundMe. She didn't have to beg her family for money, and she didn't have to start all over. That's the power of living benefits. Now, why most people don't know about this? Number one is because some older agents never learned this. The industry changed faster than they updated their training. Number two is that some companies still don't offer strong living benefits, so their agents don't even bring it up. And number three is that most people don't ask the right questions. because nobody ever told them that living benefits even existed. That stops today because now you know. The bottom line is, if your policy does not include living benefits, you have a protection gap that you don't even know about. Life insurance shouldn't just take care of your family while you're gone. It should take care of you while you're still here. If you still have questions about living benefits and how that can help you while you are still living, send me a DM.